In this video, we will learn about searching our data and changing and setting list views. Tailwind is full of lists: personnel lists, equipment lists, invoice lists, lists of orders and quotes and dispatches. Sometimes these lists will show you what you might be looking for, but other times you may find you need to search these lists, and Tailwind provides some tools to help you search, filter, and adjust these list views in order to find the information you're looking for as quickly and easily as possible. The first and easiest tool is the search bar that appears at the top of every list. A search using this tool will simply search all the different fields of all the items on the list at once, whether it's the customer field on an order, a vendor address, or the insurance expiry date on a piece of equipment. If it matches what you typed, it will appear in the filtered list when you say go. Because this search looks at all fields, it will sometimes return extra results, particularly if you are searching on a common string or word that appears in multiple fields. For example, if I type Seattle in my search bar, I have a number of clients that reside in Seattle. It's going to go and find every one of them. So make sure to search on the most detailed version of the term you can. At the top of the page, you're going to see a global search bar. Clicking the bar will bring up a search prompt which will allow you to search your entire database: quotes, orders, customers, vendors, etc. The global search will return results for each Tailwind module separately, allowing you to more quickly locate the records you are looking for. There are also a number of ways for you to customize the various lists to ensure that they are showing you the information you find most useful. These controls appear at the bottom right of every list. Let's go to our order screen to show that example. On the order screen, we can see we can have lots of information detailed: pickup, delivery locations, dates, but everybody's different and wants to see different information. You can customize what you see by using our Active Columns button. To adjust which columns are displayed, click on the Active Columns button, and this will bring up a list of all available columns that are available to be viewed on this particular list, allowing you to toggle each one on or off in the display. Green, of course, that column will be displayed. Grayed out, we will not see the currency column on this list. Once you've chosen the columns you want displayed, click the Save button, and your screen will appear as you wish it to be. The order and size of the columns can also be adjusted by simply dragging and dropping. Perhaps I would prefer to see my ship dates in the far left. All I have to do is drag and drop it into the position I want. As well, I can expand columns or reduce their size down. Note that if you've added a lot of columns, some of them may appear off screen, requiring you to scroll to the right to see them. Once you've configured the screen the way you want it to appear, the columns, the order of columns, do ensure that you click on the Save List, as that will save your personal settings. You can also adjust the number of records that appear on each page of the list view. Clicking on the List Size button will bring up a list of options. Remember that choosing a larger number may cause the list to load more slowly. Some lists, such as orders and dispatch views, also include a set of status filters along the very top of the list. These allow you to quickly adjust which records are displayed. based on their internal status. You can also use them to set up a default view that is more appropriate for your particular role at the company. Let's turn all of my statuses on here for a moment. For example, a dispatcher might want to hide any orders that have already been sent to invoicing or invoiced, and that dispatcher can do that by turning the stages off that he or she is not concerned with. While someone working primarily on the administration side might only want to see those particular orders that have been sent to invoicing or invoiced. Clicking on a particular status filter will toggle those records on or off for you. And if you want to save a particular set of filters as your default view, click on the Save button to the very far right of all these filters. This will only save this view for your particular user account, so don't worry about messing up anyone else's lists. Just get it how you want it set moving forward. Great, and that covers off the searching our list views. Thank you.